Greetings, South Africans, North, South, East, and West, and royal greetings to all Msane tribe people all over the country and beyond the borders of the Republic of South Africa, in Swaziland, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Malawi, and Zambia. This is a presentation which is directed to the attention of the Minister of Rural Development and Land Reform, the Honorable Mr. Mzwanele Nyonso. It's also directed to the South African Police Services, KZN Provincial Commissioner, Honorable General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, and is also directed as well to the head of National Prosecuting Authority, the Honorable Ms. Shamila Batoyi, and to the head of the Hawks and the Organized Crime Unit. We request all the above to initiate an urgent investigation that implicates Ms. Thogo Didiza, a former Rural Development and Land Reform Minister and currently a National Assembly Speaker, as mastermind of the syndicate scheme of the land claim of the Msane community at the South Coast, Mzinto, and her connection with the prime suspect of corruption scandal and fraud, Mr. Sandile Dlamini, who was once a land reform officer in the KZN region and a project officer of the land claim of the Msane community at Umzinto. When it was bought, the land to be transferred to the Msane Community Trust, it was found that the trust wasn't registered, it was fake. There was a fraud that was going on. And the matter was brought to the attention of the Special Investigating Unit. By then, the Land Reform Commissioner, or Advocate Umbili. And what transpired from that investigation, which was done by the Special Investigating Unit, 3 different letters of authority. Different letters of authority. When I'm saying different of letters, you've got a different number of trustees, but all they've got the same registration number. And the investigation went on to the confirmation from the Master of High Court if the trust was authentic. And it was found that there were no record of such the Mgaye Trust at the Master of High Court. There is a confirmation from the Master of High Court with me here that this trust has never been registered. Recently, I've been communicating with the current farmers, not the current one, who are now leasing the farm, which is on our ancestors' land. What they told me, they told that I've got to speak with Sandile Dlamini. Sandile Dlamini is the chief administrator of the Mgaye Trust. The trust which is in question, which had no record at the Master of High Court. Now we want to appeal for an answers from NPA. Uguti, why had never any warrant of arrest issued to have Sandile Dlamini arrested and those who are implicated in this matter? Because there is a response from the former Regional Commissioner of Land Reform, who Advocate Umbili, with all the explanation what had happened. These farmers, this company was paid 45 million on our behalf from the government, and they say they are leasing the farm now. The funds are held with the executors, which I cannot tell. That will be discussed on the table with the task team that will be initiated by the Commissioner Mkwanas or General Mkwanas, because we are requesting a task team, a very competent and strong task team, to go to the bottom of this matter, because now we suspect that even those National Prosecuting Authority officials, the advocates, now they are benefiting now. They are benefiting now from this matter. That's why it's dragging for so long, and we are suffering as beneficiaries. And our lives is in danger because Sandile is a prime suspect of this corruption scandal, and he's got access, he's got influence to all these trust funds. And what scares me futhi on top of that, this other name, umuntu onosandile Dlamini lapha, who once was a hitman, wayeyinkabi, who was implicated into the murder of Sfiso Dlamini. Sfiso Nkabinde, I'm sorry. Sfiso Nkabinde, who was an activist at Richmond. It's a person who was convicted as the one who shot and killed uLukuzana, uSfiso Nkabinde, uSandile Dlamini. So ngoba okusabisa beinkabi lezi ziyaboshwa, sihambe ziye lapha ejele, zifike ifunde, ziphume seyinama diploma, seyinamajazi, seziyaphuma zithola imisebenzi lana kulama department government ethola ikhundla. Yabo mase kuba izona ezilawulayo ziqhube necrime. The question is why uSandile Dlamini is not arrested up until now, because there's all the evidence that was recovered by ILOCU's Special Investigating Unit. That is all we want to respect and to see justice being served at this point in time. Thank you.